Yeah, go. That's Onta making my coffee. Nepali?
Yes, Nepali. Nepali coffee.
Nepali coffee. It's instant coffee, but it's still good, especially at 1:20 in the morning.
This Nepali coffee mixing.
Made with love. Friends going home today or yesterday?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'm going home. Yeah, no problem. He's got his glasses there. I just tried those glasses on. I realized that I really need glasses. I was looking at this paper, very small print on the Nepali paper here, and I couldn't see it very well. I put those glasses on. Bang. Okay. 48 years old. Come on. I still see pretty damn well. I can make things out from a distance anyway. Up close, not so good. Oh yeah. Oh man. That's the way we do it in Asia over here. Onta is still making coffee. Secret recipe. Goes back generations. What time is it in Nepal? Right now, we'll say 1:30 here. 1:30 a.m. Nepal, Nepal what time? Onta?
Yes, sir.
What time in Nepal right now? 1:30 here. Nepal, let me think here. I'm gonna say you guys are, I'm gonna say they're ahead. What is it? 3:30 in Nepal? It's 1:30 here? What time?
1, 2, 3, 4, 4:30.
4:30. Yeah, I thought you'd be a little, okay, yeah.
3 hour difference.
Of course. Yeah, that was my original idea before. It was morning time, but just a little bit earlier. You get kind of wacky here. Oh, my hair, yeah. My hair's kind of cut off. I'm not a big fan of the comb over. And I'm not a big fan of the stubble. I think it's all gonna be off, or it's gonna be just a little bit longer. But right where I'm at now, man, not real attractive. Also, I noticed yesterday that you hold this camera up, it makes your nose look huge. Now, maybe I got a big nose. Maybe my nose is big. It never used to be, man. But I think it's this camera when you're up close. Makes nose big. Nose too big. Oh, here we go. Here comes the good part. Oh yeah, that's the secret right there. That's what they do.
This is coffee.
Yeah, that's the secret. Have a look at that. Real good, early morning hours. Can't beat it. Pick me up.
This Mountain Everest coffee.
Mount Everest coffee. Look at that, Mount Everest. He's not lying. Okay, we're at the ice plant here, and I'm visiting Onta. I come by and I visit him, you know, every night now. Twice a night I come by here for coffee. This is like my coffee house now. I just come over and hang out. Hey, you wanna say hi to my kids? I got my children.
Hello. Sanjay.
Hello.
How are you?
Namaste.
Namaste Sanjay. कस्तो छ तिमीलाई? सब राम्रै छ? This Nepali voice.
Okay. Nepali, he gave me the Nepali voice. Okay, see ya. Bye.
Bye.